Okay, Marley, you going to speak some French?
Yeah.
Go on then.
Do you know what earrings are?
In French, no.
Le boucle d'oreille.
That's clever. What's arm in French?
Le bras.
Ah, what's legs in French?
Le jambe.
What's feet in French?
Le pied.
Pardon?
Le pied.
What's hands in French?
La main.
What's chin in French?
Le menton.
What's beard in French?
Le barbe.
What's tongue in French?
La langue.
What's moustache in French?
La moustache.
Who taught you all these French words?
I want to do another one. I want to do eyes.
What's eyes in French?
Les yeux.
Are you finished?
Yeah.
A clever boy, aren't you? Say au revoir.
Au revoir.